Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add watermark on Capcut. So the first step you need to do is to open Capcut. So let me open Capcut. So once you open Capcut, you simply need to go on to the edit. Let me close this. Click on edit, click on new project and select any video that you on which you want to add watermark. Click on add. So once video is added, I'm going on to the text tool. Click on add text. So now I'm going to add my channel watermark. Okay, so click on the tick mark and now this is the text. If you want, you can add some effects in this text as well. So you simply need to select the text. So here you can see different options. So I want to make it a little bit smaller and want to add here on the top left right, and from here you need to drag onto the complete video. Let me drag like this, and so now if someone watch my video on YouTube, he will see my watermark here. So this is the process that you need to follow to add watermark in CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.